Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the Aggressive Taxable Portfolio update for the week. Not much action in this one as usual because I'm only depositing $25 a week. So of course on Monday I did deposit 25 bucks. As you can see, no changes, still own the same 6 stocks. CVR Energy is still down the most. Activity wise, I got paid, well, I already got paid that 33 cents a long time ago. Again, we discussed this last time. No change there, just finally kicked in. I guess it stays in pending activities until there's other action on the account, like a deposit, and then it shows up in there on that date. Kind of odd. Again, M1 does some stuff a little different than I'd expect, but it works just fine. Holdings, biggest loser, CVR, biggest winner, BGS. I'm really glad I got BGS, by the way. We'll go over to the portfolio here. I have deposited a total of $275. The current value is $273.82. This is the first time this portfolio has been in the negative. I am down $1.18 on this one. Dividend wise, I've earned $1 even in dividends. I've currently been paid 33 cents of that. By activity, you can see just once a week. Not selling anything. Dividend changes, no dividend changes on these companies. They haven't raised their dividend or decreased it. Yearly dividends. This is fully updated. There's been 4 investing days. I've deposited 25 bucks, and with that 25 bucks, I've increased my yearly income by $2.04. Pretty damn good with a yield on cost of 8.16%. Overall, this portfolio is going to be paying me out $22.49 a year, or $1.87 a month. That gives me a total return of 8.18%, which is pretty awesome. Again, as I mentioned in my Roth IRA update, the markets are dropping, they're correcting. Don't freak out. There's a lot of news, a lot of stuff going on saying, oh no, the big recession's coming and whatnot. If you own stable companies, all that's happening right now is they're going on sell. So dollar cost average in, you'll end up buying more shares when the price is low, less shares when the price is high, and you're going to come out ahead. The stock market, after a big drop, has always came back up and exceeded its previous level as the value of companies go up. So this is just normal stock market volatility. Yes, it seems to be more volatile than previous, but in the past, it's been this volatile before too. It happens all the time. So anyway, avoid the noise, ignore the short-term news and noise and garbage, and just follow your plan. You have a plan on your portfolio. Dollar cost average in, which will buy more shares when it's low, buy less shares when it's high. You'll continue buying more and more of the companies that you know are good companies that you want to own over the long run, and continue increasing your dividend income. That's it, guys. That's all I got for this week. Hope you all had a fabulous Thanksgiving and have a great weekend. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.